Hi, good day. M6291. Could you please introduce yourself?
Singsang Taytay Leho. My name is Elisa Piñaranda Mercader. I am 48 years old. I am a single. I am from Bacoor, Cavite, Metro Manila. My hobbies are cooking and baking. My education in entertainment high school graduate. I was work as domestic helper for 3 different countries, total of 11 years and 11 months. First country in Qatar, 2 years from January 2008 to January 2010. I serve one couple. Sir is 30 years old and Madam is 25 years old, and one child boy, 1 year old. My general duties are taking care of the child, cleaning up the house, washing up the clothes, washing up the dishes, and uh, ironing. The second country in Hong Kong, 2 years and 3 months from June 2010 to September 2012. I serve one couple. Sir is 40 years old and Madam is 35 years old, and one child boy, 5 years old. My general duties are taking care of the child, uh, cooking, washing up the clothes, washing up the car, ironing, marketing, and the third country and Philippines. I wash also the car in Hong Kong. And the third country and domestic helper here in Manila, from February 2018 to October 2025. I serve one couple. Sir is 45 years old and Madam is 35 years old. And my general duties are taking care of the two children. The two children, the two daughter, 9 years old and 3 years old. And my general duties are cooking, cleaning up the house, ironing, and washing up the car, washing up the uh, dishes, and cleaning up, taking care of the pets, two dogs, and gardening.
Okay. So, in Hong Kong, in the country of Hong Kong, I saw that you have 2 years and 3 months working experience. But as we all know that in one contract is 2 years.
Yes.
So, what happened in 3 months?
Actually, I have two-way ticket. I finished my contract in 2 years, and then uh, I was vacation, and then I have two-way ticket also, and then suddenly my family have accident. My sister, she was passed away, so I didn't travel, and that's why I cannot return back for the
In
three.
your
Yeah.
employer.
Yes, yes.
Okay. But are you in good relationship with your employer?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, since you have 3 working experience, and I saw that you have experience in taking care of the 1-year-old boy. So, can you tell me how do you prepare the milk of this baby boy?
First, I will clean my hand, and then I sterilize I clean the washing the bottle, and then after the washing the bottle, I sterilize, and then I put the exactly amount of the water and the milk, and then after that, I give it to the baby. I shake it first and then give it to the baby, and first I check the temperature before I give to the baby.
Okay. So, if the baby is crying, what would you do?
I will check the diaper if it is full, and then the body if it there's no problem or the temperature.
What else? Still crying?
I will inform to the parents.
Okay. So, Why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
Actually, in Hong Kong,
Since your last working experience is 2012.
yes. Actually, in Hong Kong now is we get a higher salary, and they can helping for the family also, and the fair to treatment to the employee.
Okay. So do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Actually, I have a little bit, but not all.
Could you share me your
Like
the menu?
steaming egg, steaming fish, and steaming chicken, and then the other vegetables, and
Okay.
yeah, something the other dishes.
Dishes.
Yeah,
Okay.
dishes.
But are you willing to take care of the other dishes or how to cook these dishes?
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you willing to take care of the newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how about elderly?
Yes, I'm willing.
Is it okay to you to share room with kids or other family members?
There's no problem with me.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
Willing to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Can you promise not to use phone during working hours?
Oh, yes.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Sir and Madam, I hope you're choosing me as your helper because I am patiently, kind, and thoughtful, and especially I will respectfully to your family.
Okay. Is that all? Okay. Thank you so much for your wonderful message, Miss M6291. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.